Compact machinery in general, it's been an unautomated space. And what I mean is there hasn't been very much technology pushed out into that market yet. So for the most part, everything that they're doing with those machines, with the CTOs, with the mini excavators, it's all manual operation. And so MC Mobile as a technology is one of the first pieces directed at this market, and it aims to automate the parts of the process that can be automated. So with a mini excavator, we are giving the operator cut and fill at the teeth of his excavator. We're giving him line work to follow. We're giving him slopes to follow. And so rather than being fully manual and being reliant on a grade checker telling him, he needs to go up 2/10, or reading grade stakes, or looking at line work based on the stakes that are put in the ground by the surveyor, he now has it in the cab of his excavator and no longer needs anybody else. And then with CTLs and, say, a grading attachment like a sharp grade, that traditionally was, again, a fully manual operation or a 2D only with lasers operation. And we have come to market and we are providing a 3D solution that does the same thing. It allows the operator to run the grading attachment in automatic and follow surfaces. He also gets the same line work and visual representation of the horizontal objects in the project that he wants to see. A technology like MC Mobile, operators are reliant on the grade checker to give them all the information they need to either place the material or get to grade. A lot of times it's grade stakes to give them horizontal position on the job. It's slope stakes so they know what to cut the slopes to. And this new technology, the MC Mobile, what it does is it gives the operator in the cab everything that they need to be self-reliant. So they're no longer waiting on the grade checker to give them grade, to give them cut and fill when they're placing material, to give them horizontal position of the footing, to give them a grade stake for slopes. They, in the screen, can see everything that they need to see, and they can build the job much faster and much quicker. It's a tailor-made solution for the small to medium machines. And what I mean is there's lots of 2D systems out there that use lasers, but this is the first system that has ever been designed as a platform that has multiple options for 3D positioning, that has in-field design systems that can still run full project files, that will give the operator everything they need and everything that they would traditionally have in the larger 3D equipment right in their compact machine. So one of the biggest benefits we've seen and the things that the customers are saying they're excited about the most is specifically when an operator is digging a septic system. The goal is to keep the grade checker or your helper out of the hole, because that's where the possibility of real danger happens. In the MC Mobile platform, because they get cut and fill at the teeth of the excavator's bucket, they no longer have to have somebody in the hold helping them check grade. For the most part, we're able to keep the grade checker or the helper completely out of that hole and keep them. MC Mobile, just like 15 years ago when we started automating graders and dozers and excavators, there's a resistance in the market to make that change. And we see a little bit of that with MC Mobile. People have been doing it the same way their whole life. They've been getting it done. They don't see a need to actually make a change to the way they're doing it. One idea I like to keep in mind: construction is the largest manufacturing industry in the world, and it's also the least automated. So if you look at how we've automated different manufacturing industries over the last 100 years, construction is bound to look something like that. So if you don't hop on board and get focused on technology in your business, you're going to eventually get left behind, because the automotive manufacturing industry does not look anything like it looked 150 years ago. And that is what's coming down the pipeline for construction. MC Mobile, the customers that are going to benefit from this product have a pretty fast-paced work schedule. Things change on the fly. They have to modify this to meet that schedule. And with the connectivity that has been included in MC Mobile, we have the ability to send files remotely, remote in and actually click buttons for the contractor to show them if they're missing this or missing that. And what that gives the company and the operator the ability to do is keep moving, make changes on the fly, without having to stop and go to the office and make a bunch of phone calls and possibly lose a bunch of time.